Hey everybody, welcome back to Kami's Garage. I recently got an interesting commission from someone that lives in my neighborhood. She planted a Bradford pear tree with her son when he was 8 years old. He's now 35. Unfortunately, they had to cut the tree down recently, and she wondered if I could make a sculpture out of some of the wood. Now, I got a couple of pieces here. It's actually quite curly, and there's a crotch piece that has some nice figure in here. So the design is actually based on the logo of his favorite band. It's kind of like a stylized S. She also felt that it kind of represented her and her son together. So I thought that was an interesting challenge. Unfortunately, this wood is green as the leaves on the tree. I'm going to attempt to try these in the microwave. First, I'm going to cut out the design. Now, there's a very good chance that this wood will crack when I try to dry it. So I'm going to use all 4 of these pieces of wood to have a backup just in case. Welcome to Kami's Kitchen. This actually should be an interesting experiment to try to dry these pieces of wood with the microwave. And we can measure to see how much it shrinks, and we can also weigh it to see how much it changes. So I've got a little scale here, kitchen scale, and according to the scale it weighs 660 grams. So I'm just going to write that right on there. So let's start cycling them through the microwave. I'm going to do it for 1 minute at a time. C is for Kami. Okay. This way? Yep. Thank you. That's it. Just wanted to be able to have these aligned so I could